Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to keep your Stitch design or designs accessible. Okay, so first up, you would need to find your specific design right here. For example, I have here the chat list. Okay, I'm just going to click on it. And then once done, all you got to do is just go ahead and click on share right here and enable sharing and remixing. Okay, so enable it. Copy the link, paste it wherever you want, and as it states here, by making your project public, you allow anyone with a link to view, and do take note of this, remix its generated designs and code. Okay, you can revoke public access at any time, but this will not remove already remixed designs. Okay, to disable it, just disable this slider. Okay. Again, enable, copy the link, paste it wherever you want. It could be on your Discord, and do the same with the other projects here that you have if you want to. As you can see here, I now have 2 shared projects. Okay, that is basically how you keep Stitch designs accessible. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.